Have you ever sent a Word file and it looked different on another phone or computer? Yes, in this video I'm going to show you how you can save your document as PDF so that it looks perfect everywhere. Actually, this PDF format is what you call a portable document format. This format allows your file to keep unchangeable. Whenever you share it, stay original, right? So it is not dependent as a Word document. It's independent. It can't change its content, right? So to save a Word document as PDF, you should follow the following steps. Yes, as we learned how to save a Word document, also for PDF we just need to use this file tab. Here you click on this file tab. Also you need to click on save as Word document. Then you come and select folder. Let us select this desktop. Then here is where we should pay attention. Your full attention should be here, right? So what you need to do is to change type here. For file name, no matter, but for type, you should make sure that here you save it as a PDF instead of document, Word document. Do you see now? By default is Word document, but we are going to change it by just using this PDF format. To mean that we are going to save it as a PDF. Do you see? Then make sure that here is PDF instead of Word document. Then you click on save. Just a simple click on save here, and now our document is already saved as a PDF. So to check it, let us minimize this one and then come in our desktop here. Remember we saved it in desktop, and you see is this one. This is the Word version, then it's PDF. What we have saved is this one, right? So once I open it, do you see now is a PDF document, and actually now has a PDF icon. Do you see? So it's simple. This is how you can keep your document original and safe and ensure its portability, right? If you have any question, let us know in the comment section. This is the end of today's lesson. Please, if you are new here, don't miss subscribe, like this video, and share it to your colleagues. So see you in the next lesson.